In this video, we listed the 5 best mechanical keyboard on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Ajazz AKA2 Pro. The Ajazz AKA2 Pro is a 75% mechanical keyboard that offers a high-definition TFT screen for real-time updates and customization. It features a compact design, making it suitable for enthusiasts and professionals who want to maximize desk space. The keyboard supports wireless and wired connectivity, with Bluetooth 5.1 for faster response and power saving. The gasket-mounted design and flex-cut PC plate and PCB provide a unique typing experience by reducing vibration and noise. Additionally, the keyboard comes with PBT keycaps in OEM, MOA profile and a 4000 mAh battery for long-lasting use. Number 2. Chilkey N75 Keyboard. The Chilkey ND75 is a premium 75% mechanical keyboard crafted from CNC aluminum, combining robust build quality with versatile functionality. It features tri-mode connectivity with Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB-C wired modes, catering to diverse connectivity needs. The keyboard boasts Peephole RGB LED backlighting with 19 preset effects and customizable colors. Notably, it offers hot swappable gate-run switches for convenient customization, paired with double-shot PBT keycaps in cherry profile for durability and comfort. The ND75 includes a 1800 mAh battery for extended wireless use and supports multiple operating systems including Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and Android. With a sleek, screwless assembly design and options for various stabilizer mounting styles, the ND75 appeals to gamers and enthusiasts seeking both aesthetic appeal and practical functionality in a mechanical keyboard. Number 3. Shenmeng C68 Mechanical Keyboard. The keyboard in question features high-quality PBT plastic keycaps with dye sublimation printing, ensuring durability and resistance to wear. It supports hot swappable switches for easy customization without soldering. The backlight is monochrome, providing a single-color illumination option. The package includes necessary accessories and is checked before shipment to ensure quality. Shipping is typically handled by China Post or similar services with an estimated delivery time of 15 to 30 business days worldwide. Customer service operates during specific time windows aligned with various international time zones, emphasizing communication for resolving any issues post-purchase. Number 4. YUNZII AL66 Keyboard. The YUNZII AL66 is a premium wireless mechanical keyboard featuring a compact 65% layout with 66 keys and a multifunctional knob. It boasts a sturdy CNC aluminum body with gasket-mounted switches, providing durability and comfortable typing. Available in silver, black, pink, and blue, it offers Yunzi milk linear switches and double-shot PBT cherry profile keycaps. The keyboard supports Bluetooth, 2.4G wireless, and wired Type-C connections, with multi-device capability for seamless switching between up to 4 devices. Its RGB lighting includes 14 effects and 8 backlight colors, complementing its ergonomic design tailored for both office productivity and gaming enthusiasts on Windows, Mac, and various mobile platforms. Number 5. FURYCUBE ZT99 Keyboard. The ZT99 Pro mechanical keyboard boasts a high-quality build with features tailored for both office work and gaming. It offers versatile connectivity options with wired and wireless capabilities. Keycaps are made from durable PBT plastic and utilize dye sublimation for printing, ensuring longevity and resistance to wear. The keyboard supports UTEMU switches with hot swappable functionality, allowing users to customize their typing experience easily. Backlighting options include multicolor RGB or white light with 15 dynamic effects. Its construction features a gasket design for enhanced stability and a softer typing feel, complemented by Noir silver switches known for their linear action and longevity. Overall, the ZT99 Pro combines aesthetic appeal, customizable functionality, and robust performance, making it suitable for a wide range of users seeking a reliable mechanical keyboard solution.